Ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp to skyrocket your business? Let's dive into Aisensy. Aisensy is a powerful WhatsApp automation and marketing platform designed to help businesses like yours streamline communication, boost customer engagement, and ultimately drive sales in the next minute and a half. We'll break down its core functionalities so you can see how it works. First up, Chatbot Creation. Aisensy lets you build intelligent chatbots to automate responses to frequently asked questions. This frees up your team to handle more complex inquiries and provides instant support 24/7. Next, let's talk bulk messaging. Imagine reaching thousands of customers with targeted promotions and updates, all within WhatsApp. Aisensy allows you to segment your audience and personalize your messages for maximum impact. But it's not just about sending messages. It's about understanding the results. Aisensy provides comprehensive analytics to track your campaigns, measure engagement, and optimize your strategy for even better performance. So, how can your business leverage these features? Improved customer support is a great start. Providing instant answers and resolving issues quickly leads to happier customers and increased loyalty. Then there's lead generation. Use WhatsApp to collect valuable customer information, qualify leads, and nurture them through the sales funnel directly within the app. And ultimately, it's about driving sales by engaging customers with personalized offers and streamlining the purchase process. Aisensy helps you convert leads into paying customers and boost your bottom line. That's Aisensy in a nutshell, a platform built to revolutionize how you use WhatsApp for business. Explore the possibilities and start transforming your customer engagement strategy today.